Here are 5 gift ideas that'll spice up your vehicle this holiday season.
All right, first up on this list, I'm gonna have to go ahead and say it's gonna be these rack spracks. They are lockable, which is really nice. All you gotta do is pull the pin. And once those are pulled, basically it's just a pull up and out. And now you've disengaged your entire awning or whatever it is that you decide to throw up on here. And it's quick and easy to just throw back on. Just make sure it's lined up. Push your pin back in there and you can lock them right up, and that thing is secured onto your roof rack or bed rack, wherever you decide to mount these rack spracks. Let's move on to number 2. Now for number 2, I'm gonna have to go ahead and say it's gonna be this trash bag from 23-0. This thing is awesome. As you can tell, has been raining and it is keeping weatherproof right here. Awesome straps here. Basically you can unclip it in order to gain access to the garbage bag in there, so you can keep your garbage bag. If you need a little bit more room to open this up, just release the strand here, and then when you're all done, zip it back up, throw the cord back in there, and none of your garbage is going to get out of there. Flip the lid back over and you know it's going to be secure. The other cool thing is down on the bottom here, it does have a drain hole, so if you do get leaky drinks or anything like that in there, you know it can get drained out. Has a nice side pocket here where you can actually throw more of your garbage bags, so that way if this one gets full and you need to empty it, you've got another one set right there. The other cool thing with this is that if you do not have a 5th spare tire full size like this, you actually can unclip this and put it on the tailgate. You can mount this to the tailgate. It definitely gives you plenty of strap, so that way you can wrap it around the tailgate. And what's also cool is if you do that, you do have the ability to unclip back here and it will dangle, so that way it's not, when you drop your tailgate, it's not just hanging up underneath. It will actually swing out, which is a cool feature for this. Then once you close the tailgate up, just re-secure it and you're good to go. Let's move on to number 3. Now for my number 3 gift idea, it's gotta be the Heretic roof rack handle. This thing is just built tough. A full solid aluminum housing, bolts in really well to this Trail Rack's roof rack, and you get a full button light, weather sealed, and all of your electrical is also sealed up in there. Really nice. This thing is solid once you finally bolt it down. Be sure to check out Heretic for this and other lighting as well. Let's move on to number 4. Now for my number 4, it's going to go on the inside of the truck here, and that's got to be the Thin Skins door panel covers. Look at how dirty this thing is. I haven't cleaned it in a while, but look, it's keeping my factory door panel nice and clean, scratch resistant. I mean, I got to clean out the door handles because it does have that access right there. I mean, it's not going to be 100% foolproof, but it keeps my cleaning down to a minimum and is saving my door panel from getting beat up. Easily clips in, pulls out, and is saving my door panel. If you have pets, I highly recommend this, especially if you're running them in the back of your truck. This will save your door panels. Let's move on to my number 5. All right, and for my number 5, we're going back into the truck. This time on the driver's side, it is a bit of a mess in here. I got my moose holding up my Midland radio, but I'm gonna move this out of the way because the number 5 gift idea has got to be Screen Protect. This here has been on my truck since I have bought it. And as you can see, my screen is a bit of a mess, but a little microfiber cloth here, I can go ahead, wipe this down, and it is free from scratches, free from fingerprints now, looks brand new, and I know that this is going to last a long time. I also have it on my dash, and with all the dust that I've been coming across and letting into the truck during my scouting trips for elk, it's gotten kind of dusty, so now I'm able to just really wipe this down, get all that dust and dirt kind of off of the screen, and it's not scratched. It's keeping that nice clean look that we're all looking for, keeping the factory plastics nice and pristine and protected. So my number 5 definitely has to go to Screen Protect. They've got them for multiple different vehicles, so if you want to get it for a family member with a different car than a Tacoma, jump over to their website, check them out, and follow the instructions. I will leave a link to my install video that I did for a Highlander, so that way it can help you out install one of these on your vehicle.
Hopefully this helps you find that perfect gift this holiday season. And if you are interested in picking up any of these, I will leave them down in the description box below. You can also find them over at mumphy.us/mods. So be sure to jump over there and check out some other gift ideas if you're not in the market for any of these. As always, thank you for joining me on this video. Be sure to smash the like button. Make sure you're subscribed for more videos like this, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.